Yeah, it's us. So today we're going to be making dog treats for our puppers, specifically Christmas themed dog treats, and we are going to be hand making them. I have the recipe right here, and yeah, we're just gonna have some fun. It's Thanksgiving right now, but you're probably not gonna see this on Thanksgiving, so happy Christmas holiday time when you can actually listen to music and not get made fun of. Hope you had an amazing Thanksgiving, and basically that's it, right? Yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. The recipe we are going to be basing this whole thing off of. I don't have the exact ingredients, so it's going to be a little bit different. But yeah, 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 egg, and a cup of flour. Next, I'm going to be putting everything in a bowl and just mixing it together. This is kind of the time when you can make it your own. You'll see in a second that I added a little bit of water and a little bit of flour, and I just kept doing that until I made it the consistency I wanted it to be. There's the water. I added about half a cup, and yeah, make it your own. Have some fun. Once it's the consistency that you want it to, that's when you can start making a cookie cutter and putting it on your parchment paper with some flour. I liked to mix the flour in on the parchment paper. I found that it was a lot easier and I could get the consistency I want. So I'm just going to be doing that, and when it's the consistency that I like, I'm going to be taking some cookie cutters and making my little Christmas trees. After that, it's pretty simple. I'm just going to be picking up the cookie cutter things, adjusting them to what I like, and putting them on the pan. And yeah, here I am adjusting it because I did not like the way it looked, and it was just sad. Now everything is ready to put in the oven. As you see, I made gingerbread man and Christmas trees. And so yeah, I'm going to pop that in the oven for 10 minutes or until it's firm. And it's time to get it back out now. Once I am ready to take them out and I've tested them and all that fun stuff, I literally just take them out, put them on a plate, and it's time to feed them to my puppers. It's really easy and it's super fun, and I highly recommend this because my dogs are literally obsessed with them. So yeah, that's all you have to do literally to make these. So it's super simple. I cannot stress that enough, and I highly recommend you try it out. I hope that you enjoyed and you thought that those look super yummy for your pups and you tried it at home. If you do, go ahead and tweet me a picture, Instagram me a picture, snap me a picture. I want to see all of them. And yeah, I hope that you guys have a great holiday season, and I will see you all in my next video. Comment, like, subscribe. It would really help out my channel. And if you want to see what I'm doing between uploads, my social media is in the description box below. Okay, bye guys. Love you.
So I heard you found somebody else.